In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a team member's role and permissions. If you manage a workspace or collaborate with a group, keeping roles accurate is essential for security and productivity. Roles determine what each person can see and do, things like viewing data, editing settings, or managing others. So it's important to know exactly where to make changes and how to save them correctly. From your main workspace view, look to the left side of the screen for the navigation panel. Find and click the section labeled Team Members. This is your central list of people who have access to the workspace. Opening this page lets you see everyone at a glance so you can quickly locate the person you're updating. Next, choose the specific team member whose access you want to adjust. Make sure you're selecting the correct person, especially if you have people with similar names. It's a good practice to pause for a moment and confirm you've got the right profile before making any changes, since role updates can impact what they can access immediately. Once you're viewing that person's details, go to the section called Role and Permissions. This area shows their current role and any permissions associated with it. Think of roles as preset bundles that control capabilities. For example, one role might allow editing content, while another is limited to viewing. Understanding what each role means helps you pick the most appropriate level for the person's responsibilities. Click the Edit button in the Role and Permissions section. This will unlock the controls so you can make an adjustment. If the button looks grayed out or you don't see it, it may indicate you need elevated privileges to manage roles. In that case, check with your workspace administrator. Now, select the role you want to change. You'll typically see a list of available roles. Choose the one that best matches what this team member should be able to do. If you're unsure, consider the principle of least privilege. Grant only what's necessary for their tasks. It keeps your workspace safer and reduces accidental changes. After selecting the appropriate role, click Save. This step finalizes the update and applies it to the user's account. You should see a confirmation or the updated role reflected in their profile. Remember, changes like these often take effect right away, so it's smart to communicate the update to the person so they know what to expect. And that's all there is to it. Open team members on the left, pick the person, go to Role and Permissions, click Edit, choose the new role, and save. Keeping roles current helps your team work smoothly and securely.